RAID systems for home are necessary for data protection, faster performance, backup security, and preventing data loss from drive failure. My today's video is about top 5 best RAID systems that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Green RAID system. The DXB 4800 Plus NAS is a powerful and versatile storage solution designed for small offices, creative professionals, and advanced home users who need centralized, secure, and high-speed data management. Powered by a strong processor, it delivers smooth multitasking and supports advanced workloads such as Docker containers and virtual machines, making it suitable for both productivity and development environments. Its cross-platform compatibility ensures seamless access across Windows, Mac OS, Linux, iOS, Android, and cloud services, enabling effortless collaboration. With up to 144 terabyte storage capacity, it eliminates space limitations and supports massive media libraries while offering robust RAID configurations for reliable data protection and recovery. High-speed performance is another highlight, with 10 GB and 10 gigabit per second USB ports enabling transfers of up to 1 gigabyte per second. As a secure private cloud, it guarantees full data ownership with encryption and flexible permissions. AI-powered photo management, intuitive apps, and wide drive compatibility further enhance usability, making it a complete and future-ready NAS solution. Now our second product is TerraMaster RAID system. The F4-425 Plus NAS is a high-performance 4-bay storage solution designed for professionals, small businesses, and advanced home users who demand speed, flexibility, and reliability. Powered by the Intel N150 quad-core CPU reaching up to 3.6 GHz and paired with 16 GB DDR5 memory, it delivers smooth multitasking and efficient handling of data-intensive workloads. Its standout triple M.2 SSD expansion supports cache acceleration or independent storage pools, significantly boosting system responsiveness. With dual 5 GB LAN ports, it achieves impressive transfer speeds of up to 1,020 megabytes per second through link aggregation and SMB multi-channel, making it ideal for video editing and collaborative workflows. Supporting up to 144 terabytes capacity, it offers massive storage with TRAID protection, snapshots, and worm security for enhanced data safety. The system also excels as an all-in-one hub for Docker, virtual machines, and 4K per 8K media streaming via Plex or Jellyfin. Combined with aluminum durability and direct data mounting, it ensures performance, security, and long-term reliability. Our third product is YadaMaster RAID system. The YadaMaster FS5 RU35 Bay external enclosure is a powerful and flexible storage solution designed for professionals handling large-scale data workloads. With support for up to 120 terabytes capacity using 524 terabytes drives, it is ideal for video editors, photographers, researchers, and businesses requiring centralized, high-volume storage. Its hardware RAID support, including RAID 0, 1, 5, 10, JBOD, and clone, offers excellent versatility, allowing users to balance speed, redundancy, or full data mirroring based on their needs. Compatibility with both 2.5-inch SSDs and 3.5 HDDs enhances flexibility, while secure screw-fixed aluminum trays ensure stable and protected drive installation. The aluminum alloy chassis, combined with a built-in 80mm low-noise fan and ventilation design, ensures efficient cooling during long operational hours. With USB 3.0 and SATA 3 delivering up to 5 gigabits per second transfer speeds, it handles large file transfers smoothly across Windows, Mac OS, and Linux systems. Intelligent Sleep Mode further improves energy efficiency, making it a reliable and scalable storage expansion system. Now number 4, CenMate RAID system. This 4-bay RAID external hard drive enclosure is a practical and reliable storage expansion solution for both personal and professional users who need large capacity, secure data management. Supporting 2.5-inch and 3.5 HDDs/SSDs with a total capacity of up to 80 terabytes. It provides ample space for backups, media libraries, and business data storage while helping reduce clutter on desktops and laptops. Its flexible RAID configuration, including RAID 0, RAID 1, JBOD, and normal mode, allows users to prioritize either speed, redundancy, or independent drive usage based on their needs, though proper setup is essential to avoid data loss. Built with a durable aluminum alloy body and dual 2-inch fans, it ensures efficient heat dissipation during long usage, although fan noise may be noticeable for sensitive users. Powered by USB 3.0 with JMS 561 chip and USB support, it delivers transfer speeds up to 5 gigabits per second. With plug-and-play compatibility across Windows, Mac, and Linux, it offers a simple yet powerful storage management solution. And our last choice is OWC RAID system. This high-performance storage solution is designed for professionals who need speed, flexibility, and reliability in demanding workflows. With support for all USB systems and full Thunderbolt 3 compatibility, it ensures seamless integration across modern and legacy setups, making it highly versatile for creative studios and enterprise environments. Delivering transfer speeds of up to 947 megabytes per second, it significantly reduces wait times when handling large video files, backups, or project libraries. The inclusion of SoftRAID software adds powerful control, enabling users to create, monitor, and manage advanced RAID configurations for enhanced performance and data protection. Equipped with 4 universal drive bays, it supports both 2.5-inch and 3.5 drives, offering excellent storage scalability for growing data needs. The system is backed by a 3-year limited warranty, providing additional confidence in long-term reliability. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.